Hello all, Dan from Droneblog.com here. Today's quick video will be a step-by-step guide showing how to enable and use vertical mode on the DJI Air 3. The process of shooting vertical videos on the Air 3 is quite simple. With the Air 3 on and in live view in the DJI Fly app, change your mode from photo to video if in photo mode. If you're already in video mode, well then it can be left as is. Now secondly, whether you are in Pro mode or Auto, on the bottom right hand corner of the screen, press the resolution to enter the resolution settings. Now for the third step, change from your current non 9:16 ratio resolution to either 1080p 9:16 or 2.7K 9:16. By choosing either 1080p or 2.7K resolution with the 9:16 ratio, the video will change to vertical mode. On screen, you'll see your vertical shooting area between two slightly opaque and darkened bars. The last step? Proceed to film as you normally would with any other aspect ratio, remembering to hit the record button. Now as a side note, you can also be in the 70mm camera and likewise shoot either 1080p or 2.7K vertical video with no issues whatsoever. Well, that's all for this quick video series. If you have specific questions about this or our other videos, we'd love for you to join us at dronepilots.com. For more tutorials, quick videos, and reviews, head to droneblog.com.